The Galaxy Ring now faces a new competitor, though calling it new is just because it's an updated version. It's the Oura Ring, a smart ring that's been around for quite a while now. It has reached its 4th edition. This generation focuses primarily on enhancing the precision of all the data it can track. In reality, there seems to be a space limitation that currently prevents the integration of a lot of new features into a smart ring. Despite this, the Oura Ring continues to evolve and improve, offering users more reliable data with each iteration. While it may not boast a plethora of new features, the emphasis on accuracy is a significant advancement in the world of smart rings. Most smart rings available do the same thing. This new ring, however, is thinner to resemble traditional rings. The new sensor offers better signal quality for blood oxygen, more accurate discomfort rate when breathing, and improved heart rate monitoring with fewer gaps for accuracy much more constant. Among the new options that we find in this generation, there are some that are focused on women who are pregnant. So it can give additional data of pregnancy and will also give you a little clearer data of the cycle and also reports of the menstrual cycle. It will have greater accuracy in the fertile window, although it is always clarified that this is not a medical device or a specific method of family planning, but it can help. In addition, through the mobile app, there will be another section called Oura Labs, which on Android is going to be able to offer experimental functions like a symptom and meal radar. And like almost all 2024 products, it will have artificial intelligence, in this case to give you a personalized report. It arrives available in 12 different sizes and 6 colors, so you can choose the one you like the most at a price of $349. But remember that prices here are not the same as over there. However, this is a ring that offers you a little advanced measurements as long as you pay a subscription. So with this price, they include 1 month of subscription. And if you want to continue enjoying detailed information, you will have to pay this subscription separately. The pre-sale is already available in the US, and this ring starts shipping from October 15th. For now, Oura Ring does not have too many plans to sell in many countries, so there are few countries where it can be purchased.